So today I am gonna go do some shopping. I want to see what $10 can buy for me for this very day. So I have $10 with me and I'm gonna make some shopping with this $10. But this lunch, I want to eat something special like steak with vegetables. So let's go and make shopping with this $10. These are all the steak, the prices.
Look at the ones they're blowing down. Look at that. Look. It's blowing up.
I am back from the shopping. So these are the steak that I will use for this lunch. And these are the green beans that I bought. This steak was $7.95. That's $8. And I bought this one for $1.45 per pound. So I bought this one for $1.80. So the money I use is around $10. Every other ingredients I have at home that I'll be using for this steak. So this is it, and you are all welcome to my channel. If today is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and also hear your opinion on my channel. I thank you all for being here, and all my subscribers, thank you. So this is the green beans. I have to take some out that I will be using for this cooking. How to do your green beans, you just take out the top side. That's it. If it has rope, if you are taking it out, you will see how it will be hard to take out. So like this is the only way you do this. So that is it. Now we just have to start the cooking. It's very easy. This is oil. You can use any oil, but this is olive oil, just a little bit, just a little. That's it. It's not even up to tablespoon. So now these are the steak. Right now it's already washed and I just keep it here to make it fresher. So now I just gonna be adding this into my pan. So now what I will do here, so that this steak will not shrink, I just gonna put some little bit of flour, like 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of flour, all-purpose flour. Then I will add my ingredients to it. These are thyme, dry thyme, then salt, a little bit of salt. This is called dry ingredients. Just gonna mix everything together and drizzle it to this. You can see, just gonna drizzle it to it so that it don't shrink. So this is it, and that's it. That is how I make mine. So now I let it cook for both sides, 3 minutes for the both sides. That's 6 minutes. Then it's cooked. So now it's cooking. I have to flip it for the other side. You can see. So this is it now. You can see, this is how to do it. No. So now I will be adding my green beans. These ones will only cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. It's very crunchy. So that is how to do this. Now, what I will add to this is green pepper. This is black pepper. I will just grind a little bit to these green beans and the steak. So this is it. And now another ingredients I will add to these green beans, because I already had the dried one to the steak. This is thyme. I'll just add that one to the green beans, so they will all cook together. Let's wait for another 3-4 minutes and it's ready. Then we serve. Thank you. This is my lunch for $10. I didn't have the oil price and every other ingredients. I only had the green beans and the steak for $10. Thank you all. And please subscribe to my channel. So these are the steak. It's cooking so fast. You can see. So now you just have to wait for it. So you can serve it. Very easy lunch. So it's ready. It's time to serve it. This is it. It's a beef steak. It's ready. So this is how you make your steak. Right now, I'm just going to add just a little bit of water. And I will add my lime. You can use any citrus of your choice. And this is it. Now I'm just gonna put this. That's it. So it's ready. It's time to eat this delicious food. So these are the steak and it's ready to eat. You just see, it's very easy. Wow, it is so good. You can see how wonderful this steak is. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now.